Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the topic radioactivity and its very important objective questions for upcoming examinations. The first question is the phenomenon of radioactivity was discovered in 1898 AD by. The right answer is Henry Becquerel. The second question is the activity of radioscope change with none of these. The third question is the alpha particles are double positively charged helium nuclei. The fourth question is radioactive substance emits alpha particles, beta particles, gamma particles. That is right answer is all of these. Next question number fifth. Question number fifth, that is a particle which is 4 times in a mass and 2 times in charge that of proton is an alpha particle which has 4 times in mass and 2 times in charge that of proton. Question number 6, a particle which is similar to electron, the right answer is beta. A particle which is similar to electron is beta particle. Question number 7, gamma rays are high energy electromagnetic. The next question number 8, which of the following element is not radioactive? That is right answer is zirconium. Question 9, a device used for the measurement of radioactivity is GM counter. Question number 10, which of the following does not contain the material particles? The right answer is gamma rays. Question number 11, if by mistake some radioactive substance gets into the human body, then from the point of view radiation damage the most harmful will not be one that emits. Right answer is gamma rays. Question number 12, what is the neuron particles release during radioactivity? Question number 13, group displacement law was given by. The right answer is Sadi and Faison. Question 14, quantity of radioactive materials which undergoes 10 to the power 6 disintegration per second is called Rutherford. Question 15, 1 curie of activity is equivalent to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second. Question 16, the first indication that a stable nucleus can be broken down was afforded by. The right answer is Rutherford. Question number 17, when the nucleus of uranium is bombarded with the neutron, it breaks up into two nuclei of nearly equal mass. This process is called nuclear fission. Question 18, hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fusion. Question 19, in nuclear reactor, the speed of neutron is slowed down by heavy water. Question 20, the fuel in atomic pile is. The right answer is uranium. Next question 21, energy produced in nuclear reaction is given by. The right answer is Einstein law. Question 22, in atomic reactor, graphite is used as a moderator. In atomic reactor, graphite is used as a moderator. Question 23, in treatment of cancer, which of the following is used? 60CO27. In treatment of cancer, which is the following is used? 60CO27. Question 24, in nuclear reactor, chain reaction is controlled by introducing cadmium rod. The next question number 25, the isotope used for dating archaeological finding is 14C6. Question number 26, the penetrating powers of alpha, beta and gamma radiation in decreasing order are gamma, beta and alpha. Question 27, match the following radioactive series. 4n, that is thorium series. 4n plus 1, that is your neptunium series. 4n plus 2, that is uranium series. And 4n plus 3, that is actinium series. 4n, that is your thorium series. 4n plus 2, 4n plus 1, that is actinium series, and 4n plus 2, that is uranium series, and 4n plus 3, that is your actinium series. 4 2 1 3 यानी 4n का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा थोरियम सीरीज, फिर 4n plus 1 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा नेपथीलियम सीरीज, 4n+1 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा नैपथेनियम सीरीज। फिर 4n+2 होगा तो यूरेनियम होगा, और 4n+3 होगा तो एक्टिनियम सीरीज होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 28, द हैवीएस्ट नेचुरली अकरिंग एलिमेंट्स इज यूरेनियम। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 29, मैच द कॉलम करना है। न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर कंपोनेंट और सब्सटेंस यूज, तो मॉडरेटर ग्रेफाइट, कंट्रोल रॉड बोरॉन, फ्यूल रॉड यूरेनियम एंड कूलेंट इज सोडियम। फिर से मॉडरेटर ग्रेफाइट, फ्यूल रॉड बोरॉन, कंट्रोल रॉड बोरॉन, फ्यूल रॉड हमारा यूरेनियम, फ्यूल रॉड हमारा यूरेनियम, और कूलेंट यहाँ पर एज अ सोडियम। तो 1B, 2C, 3A एंड 4E। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 30, मैच द कॉलम करना है। कॉलम 1 में है रेडियो आइसोटोप्स, कॉलम 2 में है मेडिसिनल यूज। 60CO दैट इज 1C, 1C दैट इज यहाँ पर कैंसरियस ट्यूमर्स। 2D यानी 131I दैट इज योर डिसऑर्डर्स ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड्स। थर्ड का C दैट इज योर थर्ड C दैट इज 59FE दैट इज कैंसरियस ट्यूमर्स। 60CO the right answer is C, cancerous tumors। 131I that is disorders of thyroid, यानी I यहाँ पर 131I disorders of thyroid glands, and 59FE this is the anemia, and 432P the right answer is leukemia। Question 31, which of one of the following can be used to confirm whether drinking water contains a gamma emitting isotope or not? The right answer is scintillation counter। Question number 32, yellow cake, an item of smuggling across the border, is uranium oxide। Question number 33, the difference between a nuclear reactor and atomic bomb is that the chain reaction in nuclear reactor is controlled। The next question, question number 30, cobalt 60 is commonly used in radiation therapy because it emits gamma rays। Next question, question number 35, a radioactive substance has a half life of 4 months, 3/4 of the substance would be decay in 8 months। Question number 36, which one of the following is not a radioactive? Zirconium। Question number 37, which one of the following elements is essential for the construction in nuclear reactors? Zirconium। मैच दो कॉलम करना है, करेक्टरिस्टिक्स और यहाँ पर पार्टिकल दे सकते हैं। जीरो मास न्यूट्रोनिया, फ्रैक्शनल चार्ज क्वार्क, फ्रिक्शनल स्पिन पॉजिट्रॉन, और इंटीग्रल स्पिन फोटॉन। क्वेश्चन 39, emission of beta particles from an atom increase the number of proton in the atom। emission of beta particle की ये बात करते हैं, that is increase the number of proton in the atom। and match the column में 38 में characteristics and particles, zero mass neutrino, fractional charge quark, fractional spin positron, and integral spin photon। Thanks for watching and sharing।